It's outside Saturday. That means we went outside. It's outside Saturday. Then we're happy and we feel alright. Well, it ain't exactly the Nile, but it's our biggest river. And it's called the Schelde. It's one of the biggest rivers in Belgium also, probably the largest in Belgium. So immediately you're surrounded by nature. It's a path that is not very well known by people here, and it's actually a small little wild forest. If you listen, you can hear a bird. And that bird is just warning us. The bird is warning us that we are coming very close to its nest and that we are not welcome. Then you come here. Park hen at Bob. Look, this is the side arm of the Schelde. Picturesque and dirty. It is very, very picturesque, isn't it? Beautiful butterfly. So there seems to be a race going on. Oh, there they are. I think they've lost. Outside Saturdays. See you tomorrow. You know, tomorrow, lazy Sunday afternoon. Bye. But yeah, I allow viewers to criticize my work, my movies. So to do so, you have to send me a video reaction. You can do this by posting it on a website where I can download your comments, your video comments, or you can mail your movies to me at the known address. Yeah, OneMinuteVlog@gmail.com. I don't have a lot of viewers, but this one obviously knows why. Let's hear what he has to say.
Are you filming me? Yeah. Because it's important. Yeah. It's very important. I tell you. Not 1 minute. No. More. So, it's a 1 minute vlog, you say? No. It's not. It's more. And then, the other thing. You're constantly saying, anyway. Let me tell you something, lad. No way.
It's outside Saturday. That means we went outside. It's outside Saturday. Then we're happy and we feel alright.